Hello and welcome to Group 3's Unit 3 case study. Diffusion of innovation. Within this case study, we'll be discussing diffusion of innovation. So what is diffusion? Diffusion is the process in which an innovation is communicated through certain channels over time among the members of a social system. It is a special type of communication in that the messages are concerned with new ideas. Diffusion of innovation seeks to explain how innovation are taken up in a population. An innovation is an idea, behavior, or object that is perceived as new by its audience. So how does it work? The video provided here gives an amazing example. As you can see here, this school district is deeply rooted within this community. As the area continues to grow, new schools are being built to accommodate the needs of the community. Unfortunately, Greenfield is having some difficulties and needs a way to improve their overall TEA rating. This is where blended learning comes in, and more distinctly, rotation stations. Here we have provided a great way to organize your stations. 4 common stations are Teacher Station, Tech Station, Independent Practice Station, Group Partner Station. Each station offers a brief description. So, does rotation stations work? This video below shows interviews from educators from KIPP, Louisiana that believe blended learning works and why. The specific problem at Greenfield Elementary are a culture of negativity that stems from diversion from vision, lack of leadership, and a piecemeal implementation. An alternative would be that administration, faculty, and staff unify under guiding statements that place the focus of all efforts on the success of every child. Building further on this alternative, the alternative will finally result in a student-centered culture of success and learning for all stakeholders that will make Greenfield Elementary a highly desired place to work, grow, and learn. In conclusion, by using the systematic implementation of station rotation blended learning into the classroom as a catalyst to trigger a much-needed structural change and establish a system of consistent accountability, a new era of success and learning will be enjoyed by teachers, students, and all stakeholders of Greenfield Elementary.